this is a continuation of the previous module on spatial overlay, and in this process we are trying to figure out how much of the area of each parcel in this layer is covered by canopy or vegetation. So in order to find out that, we will use a tool called Tabulate Area. Now this is a process where we are creating non-spatial data out of a spatial layer. So if you open the toolbox, there we can find the Tabulate Area in the spatial analysis tools. In the toolbox, look for the spatial analyst tools, and under that look for zonal. The zonal tools are applicable to any performance or any process that you need to do on different zones. So in this case, we need to tabulate the area that falls under different parcels. So if you start the Tabulate Area tool, you will see the options where you can pick different layers, the layer that defines the zone and the other layer that defines the area that needs to be calculated. So the first option is the raster or feature that defines the zone. So in this case, the parcels are the zones within which we need to find the area. Now the second part is finding which identity from those zones we need to use. So if you look at the parcel ID itself is reasonable to use, and this will show as a value in the column for different values of the vegetation in that parcel. The second layer where we need to calculate the area within the parcel would be the canopy data layer or intersect layer. So let's look at canopy, select that, and within that the heading of the column will be the description, which is canopy, and then you need to provide an output name, and then click OK, and this will create a table containing the data. Once the table is completed, you should be able to see a table in your table of contents. I named it Parcel Canopy Area, and if you right click it and open it, you will see that you will have two columns. The parcel column gives the number of the parcel, and the canopy column gives the area of the canopy within that parcel. Now if you remember, you have learned a tool called Join to see which parcel has the different amount of area. We can go to parcel data and join this new table that we have created to it. So if we join by the parcel ID, and if you click OK, you will see that it's asking you to generate an index. You can go ahead and do that. And now if you open the attribute table of the parcel data, you will see that it has these new two columns joined to it right here. So you can see that the first parcel, you can compare the area of the parcel with the area of the canopy. So this would be the canopy area, and about, if we just move it this way, this is the parcel area. So you can see. Now you can go back to parcel and color code it based upon how much canopy does it have. So for example, let's turn this off, remove the canopy layer, and create a symbology for the parcels. And in this case, we're going to associate the coloring based upon the amount of canopy in different parcels. So in symbology, we can associate colors by quantity, and we can select the quantity to be the area of the canopy, which is the canopy, and you can apply that, and you can see that now you have color coded based upon how much canopy different parcels have. If you turn on your canopy layer, you can kind of see that the areas that have more canopy are obvious, and areas with low canopy are also quite obvious. So this process kind of taught you how to take data which is spatial, and you can create non-spatial statistical estimation from that data. In this case, for example, we measured how much area of a given parcel is covered by vegetation canopy. So that concludes this tutorial, and we'll talk about other spatial analysis tools in the next tutorial.